up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed, now I need
One video gang, I'm divine. I really want to thank you guys for 500 subscribers. That's a lot. I don't know how to express myself. I'm finally at home. I've been busy with cleaning. I'm planning to do a giveaway, so just get ready. I've been planning a lot. I noticed I started balding 2 weeks ago when I was in school. I said balding. If you don't know what alopecia is literally just hair loss. I started losing hair. I can't get bald, like,
God forbid.
I did a poll on Instagram asking you guys what protein treatment I should use. I wanted to do a video of my Instagram followers following me, but I was like, will anybody really need that video right now? So I said I'll just make this personal video of how I actually stopped balding. My experiment is not yet over, but as you guys can see, my hair has grown back and it's shiny in both areas. By the time I'm uploading this video, I'm sure my hair would have fully recovered from short-term alopecia or balding or hair loss in my front hair. A lot of factors led to this balding or hair loss. 2 weeks ago, I wasn't sleeping well. I wasn't maintaining a good hair routine. I was just like basha everywhere. I was like, I'll just carry my hair, who cares? So if you are not doing these 3 major things, eating a lot of protein, eating well, drinking water, you don't sleep well. You can see my eye bags here, but don't worry. If your hair is out like this, or if you are wearing a protective hairstyle like braids, add this video to your watch list because you will need it when your hair is down. My hair is going to be going through a lot. This is rainy season, harmattan period getting on. The whole atmosphere causes a lot, so I hope this video is helpful to you. Today's question is, which hair video should I upload next? I have 2 titles in mind. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section. One is how to blow out your hair. It's my method that works by yourself, like as if you are in a hair salon.
Period.
12 mistakes or 12 what was it now? 12 mistakes you are making by stopping your hair from growing. If you want A, drop A in comment section. If you want B, please pick B in comment section.
Let me show you how I stopped my hair from balding.
Since only 3 people responded to the poll I did on Instagram asking whether I should use aloe vera or egg or honey, I decided that I'll use everything. Wow. And I went online and I did my research, and it wasn't a bad idea. And it was good for my scalp pH. That's what we'll be using in today's video. This girl seems weird for one reason. She looks like the head of the Mami Water Marine Kingdom. Or is it just me? I'll be using this applicator bottle that I recycled, my vital oil. I'll need this kettle to warm up the oil so that my pores can open up because I'm low porosity. Then I'll also be using or needing a blender to blend all the ingredients I'll be using together. But if you don't have a blender, you can just mix it in a plate with your fork. If you want the consistency to be better, you can use a whisk, but I'm not using the whisk because it's hard to wash. And by the way, I'm already using a blender, so the first thing I'm going to do is to cut off the sides of the aloe vera. As you can see, those sharp ends, that's what I'm cutting off. Then I chop it into cubes or chunks like this, so it's easy for me to work with, like as if I'm cooking. I'm going to chop off the sides into 2, so I'll be able to get the gel that is in between into my blender. You have to be careful because the aloe vera gel used to dance. It's messy. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, E, B12 and folic acid, and that is good for hair strands, to protect the hair strand from breakage and shedding. Aloe vera also helps make hair shiny. I can say for myself that aloe vera has made my hair shiny and enhanced my curl pattern. Eggs contain protein, and I always tell you guys that protein is hair growth. Protein and biotin and folate and vitamin E, and those vitamins are good for hair growth to protect the hair strand from hair loss. Now I'll be using olive oil or anointing oil, and olive oil contains vitamins that strengthens the hair strands, serving as a sealant to retain moisture from the egg and aloe vera. Shea butter on the other hand is very good for hair growth in restoring lost hair, especially dryness, and coconut oil is a certified conditioner that helps to lock in and retain moisture. Honey on the other hand contains antioxidant properties that are good for strengthening hair strands and reducing breakage or hair loss. I've used honey to make my hair softer. I can tell you for sure that if you try honey on your hair, you will not regret it. So I'm just going to blend everything together into a batter or a mix, something like that. It's going to look like a pancake or a cake mix, or I don't even know what it looks like.
Are you serious? Wow.
If you don't want everywhere to get messy in your bathroom, preferably put it into an applicator bottle. But if you don't have an applicator bottle like this, you can directly use it from your pan or your plate. Time could not make it possible for me to use this mix that day. I had to use it the next day, so I kept it inside the fridge. If you notice, I did not keep the egg yolk inside my mix, because if you keep the egg yolk, you waste time when you're washing your hair, because it will be hard to come off. So preferably remove the egg yolk and retain it for something else, like your skincare or a food recipe. The next day, I just got it from the freezer, and I'll be using my hot water to melt it out, and obviously it's going to work on my hair because I'm low porosity. If you've not heard of hot oil treatment or hot treatment, you just open up your pores. If you are not low porosity, this treatment will also still work for you. Just make sure that you don't put it in an applicator bottle and you don't use shea butter in the mix, if not to become strong. If you are going to put shea butter, make sure you don't put it into an applicator bottle. If you put it into an applicator bottle, because of the solidity, the hardness of shea butter is going to become strong again. I use my leave-in conditioner to moisturize. Then I'm going to use this mixture or batter as a deep conditioner or deep conditioning treatment, so that it can lock up the moisture, because the deep conditioning treatment has oils. The reason why I suggested if you put your shea butter into the batter, you should not put it into an applicator bottle, is because of it's going to become hard again. Instead of stressing yourself to get the batter out of the applicator bottle, just use it directly from your plate or your pan. The process of what I'll be doing to my hair is that I'll apply my leave-in conditioner. I'll apply the mixture from my scalp or my roots, the roots of my hair, to the tip of my hair. The reason why you must apply it to the tip of your hair is because of the batter is to strengthen your hair from hair loss. So it is your whole hair strand, right from your scalp to the end of your hair. One tip I have for you is that whenever you're combing, comb from behind and comb from the front, because if you don't comb from behind and the front, your hair is going to tangle on the roots, and you don't want that. If not, you're going to have breakage. So comb from the roots, the end, behind, and in front. The thing I was doing here that was tricky is that I was using both my comb and my tangle teaser. If you don't have a tangle teaser, you can use your fingers. Then I'll twist that, and you can see as I'm twisting that, you can see the treatment right from the very tip of my hair to my roots. Another tip I have for you when you're combing is to make sure you remove the hair on your comb immediately you comb that section. So if I comb this section, I'm going to remove the hair I have on my comb, so that my hair doesn't get shredded so that my hair doesn't get tangled with the other hair particles or hair follicles that fell out of my hair. So when you comb, make sure you remove the hair strands on the comb and start afresh. The reason why I'm twisting my hair is because of I don't want my hair to curl back. I don't want my hair to revert back, because if I leave my hair down, my hair is going to shrink back to its afro form, and if I let my hair shrink in this treatment, then my hair is going to shred. So I'm preventing my hair from shredding. That's why I am stretching it out with twist, and I'm working with twist because to be faster for this treatment when I want to wash my hair. The last thing I would do is to massage my scalp, and the reason why I'm massaging my scalp, because this is a hot treatment, I'm opening my pores for the treatment to enter into my scalp, so I will massage it so it circulates around my scalp. I'm trying to save for a camera and my flash drive that got misplaced. I'm hoping I can save up to 500,000 naira. What's 500,000 naira in US dollars? If you want to help me save, I'll be so glad if you do. Just click the link and use my code. You'll be able to save 1,000 naira for yourself, and I'll get 1,000 naira for you clicking the link, and that will help my savings. I have a subscriber email, so if you have any video suggestions or questions, you can send me an email on that email. You can follow me on my social media platforms and send me direct messages. Of course, I'll respond to your messages. I don't want to just be uploading content that I just feel I just have to upload. I want to upload content that will help all of you. And really, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you don't have time to watch the videos at that specific time I upload, you can click the download button and download the videos, or you can click the plus sign to save later so you can watch it at your spare time.